Welcome back! We're so glad to be back with another craft. Aren't you happy, Sis?
Yeah!
Alright, so what are we doing today?
Masks!
We're making some beautiful masks which you can make at a party or for a costume or just on a play date with your friends. So the first one we're making is
A unicorn!
yeah, unicorn mask. So what do we need?
Paper!
Try to get some thick paper because it works better with thicker kind of paper.
Yeah, because it would rip easily.
Yeah, it's just easier. It holds the shape. So we want you to cut out this shape out of your cardboard paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace this onto my cardboard paper and then we're going to cut it out. I've already finished cutting mine, and while Cece's cutting out the eyes, I'm going to show you how I'm going to draw some eyelashes for my unicorn.
Oh, can I do my own?
Yeah, of course.
I want the pencil to show. So now they...
Alright, and there we go. These are, wait, I don't know if these are eyelashes. So these are the eyelashes for mine. Now we've cut out 2 ears.
2 ears, and you're
Alright,
gonna go like that, Mama.
yeah.
On a mask. Ow!
And we're going to color the inside of the ear pink. So once you've colored them like this, we'll just stick them on like this. Next, we're making the hair. So I got some yarn and I'm just gonna cut out some.
Oh, I want to get some more.
I want the fringe.
Why do you want the fringe? That's
It should be like that. From the back.
And as you can see, I am trying to get this string. I'm using a different one.
So we got. So you see, I stuck it from here and from the back, and I'm just gonna let it sort of drop over the.
Oh, I love
top.
this one. You did it too long.
So we finished the yarn hair on our unicorn mask.
And mine is extra furry.
I cut out the horn for Celine. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna cut out mine.
Yeah. When I saw it, I said, ooh. I think she's gonna.
And here's my horn. So mine is straight. Hers has a bit of a twisty edge.
We did mine. Then I would like mine to be.
See it? Look at that. Your unicorn. So now the next step is decorating. And we've got some fake flowers, we've got some foam flowers.
And I just
all you want to do is just put a few here and there. We're using this stretchy band to
with a stapler.
yeah, to secure this on our head. So first thing you need to do is this. Measure how much you need.
Cut it and then staple.
And
Ow. Oh, hey, no, I want to do it. Here, roll. Hello, I'm a unicorn, Mama.
that's gorgeous. Is it comfy? Is it good for you?
Hello.
Do you like that?
My hair's coming there. Hey.
Well, we hope you like this unicorn mask. On to the next one.
Yes, butterfly.
Butterfly mask. See you in a bit. For the butterfly masks, we need a piece of cardboard paper again. And what I've done is I folded this in half and drawn half the
paper. But I do
half the butterfly on one side. And for the butterfly mask, it's really better to cut only one side because that way you've got two sides that are exactly the same.
Yes.
Okay, start
Let's
cutting.
start cutting.
With the butterfly mask, it's up to you. You want to color it, you can color it, you can make a design on it. You can add gemstones on it like this, you know, some sequins on it.
But
it's really up to you what you do. Celine's already colored hers and it looks a little bit like this. Yeah, right? I've decided to make mine half-half. So I've created a design on this side, which I'm going to embellish with gemstones. And on this side, I'm going to create like a collage out of some colored papers that Cece's cut out for me. I've got two pipe cleaners, one that's gold, one that's pink, and I've sort of wrapped them around each other. And these are going to be Celine's antennas for her butterfly. I've got two small pom-poms.
Oh, darn.
I'm gonna make a little loop here. Some hot glue on. And stick on the first pom-pom here. It's going to be like a base for the pom-pom to stick on. Put some hot glue and the second pom-pom.
Mama?
Yeah?
Does that look too fancy?
Looks beautiful. Now these are going to be the pom-poms and we're going to stick them right here.
I'm gonna stick them.
And then I'm going to stick them right here with some hot glue. Okay. Wait, it's still hot. What do you think? Oh my god, look at it, it's so gorgeous!